In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-currency billing in Clio Manage. To get started, sign into your Clio Manage account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for your account, including billing preferences. After the Settings page opens, select the Billing tab. Inside billing, you'll see several sections related to how invoices and payments are managed. For this setup, you'll want to stay focused on the General section. Scroll down until you reach the Currencies area. This is the section that controls which billing currencies are available in your account. Before adding anything new, take a moment to review your current default currency. This is important because the default currency is typically the one your account uses most often, unless you manually choose another option when creating a bill. It's a good idea to confirm that this setting matches your primary billing needs before moving on. Once you've checked that, click Add Currency. A list of available currency options should appear. From there, choose the additional currency you want to use for billing. Be careful to select the correct one, especially if your firm works with clients in multiple countries, since this setting will affect how billing options appear later when new bills are created. After making your selection, save your changes if Clio prompts you to do so. This ensures the new currency is added properly and becomes available in your billing settings. If you don't see a save prompt, the platform may apply the change automatically, but it's still worth pausing for a moment to confirm the update has gone through. Now that your additional currency has been added, you can start using it when creating new bills. When you create a new bill, look for the currency field and select the appropriate option from the available billing currencies. This allows you to bill in the correct currency, depending on the client or matter you're working with, which can help keep invoices clearer and more accurate. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check the selected currency before finalizing a bill, especially if you work across more than one region. That small review can help prevent billing confusion later on. Thanks for watching.